What if I told you there's car camping gear out there that's not just good, but downright extraordinary? It's the stuff you'll actually use, not just on one trip, but every time you hit the road. In this video, we will share with you some of the most legit car camping gear you will actually use. From portable showers to camping lights to camp kitchens, we've got you covered. So, let's dive into the world of awesome car camping gear. Let's get ready, set, camp. The Everdure Cube Portable Charcoal Grills 360 is the perfect companion for outdoor cooking adventures. It's lightweight, compact, and versatile with a built-in base that protects your grilling spot. You can use it practically anywhere, from tailgates to beaches to campgrounds. The Cube is also an all-in-one solution, with an integrated storage tray for accessories or food and a handy bamboo cutting board. And cleaning up is easy with the removable grill rack, charcoal tray, and firebox. Despite its compact size, the Cube offers an ample 115 square inches of grilling space, perfect for satisfying your appetite. And because it's charcoal powered, you'll enjoy authentic campfire flavor every time. Camping comfort is made easy with Quechua Folding Toilet. This portable toilet is lightweight, compact, and easy to use, making it the perfect solution for those times when nature calls and you're out on the road. It's got a wooden seat for that familiar feeling, a sawdust pocket, a shovel to keep things clean, a TP holder, and a removable carrying bag for easy disposal. But what really sets this toilet apart is its compact design. When it's folded up, it's incredibly small, with a volume of just 24.5 liters. That's smaller than your average backpack. And setting it up couldn't be simpler. Just unfold the metal structure and attach the sawdust bag holder. Yep, it's that easy. Meet the Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Towel, the most versatile and durable towel you'll ever need. Ultra lightweight and compact, this towel folds up to fit in the included carrying bag, making it perfect for backpacking, camping, workouts, and more. But don't let its size fool you. This towel is incredibly absorbent, quickly wicking away sweat and water and leaving you feeling refreshed and dry. Made from super soft microfiber, this Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Towel is gentle on your skin even after multiple uses. And with interlocking stitching that's both strong and durable, you can be sure this towel will last for years to come. Elevate your camping experience with warmth, comfort, and convenience using the Coleman Peak sleeping bags. The Coleman Peak Mummy Sleeping Bag is a game changer for your next outdoor excursion, offering warmth, comfort, and convenience. With soft 650 fill certified duck down insulation and a durable water repellent shell, you'll stay warm and dry even in the wildest conditions. A slim silhouette, hood, and baffle at the neck trap in heat for ultimate comfort. Eco-minded construction features recycled durable materials, and the water-repellent shell is treated to keep water at bay. Its zip plow zipper design and webbing along the inside of the zipper prevent snagging, so you can get in and out of your sleeping bag with ease. The Outisan E Wagon is a game-changing electric utility wagon that redefines convenience in the great outdoors. With cutting-edge flow-stride technology, the Outisan E Wagon easily conquers any terrain. Its electric power-assisted, all-terrain wheels with hill descent control provide a smooth ride, even when hauling heavy loads. It's also a space saver with a foldable metal frame that fits in your car trunk. It's durable and easy to clean with a washable fabric and built-in LED lights. And for added convenience, it has a handy USB port to keep your devices charged. But the best part is the Outisan E Wagon doubles as a nifty table stand for movie nights and gaming sessions. Looking for the ultimate solution for creating a comfortable sleeping surface? The Extremus New Comfort Camp Cot does not disappoint. This foldable camp cot is perfect for tent camping, elevating you 17 inches off the ground to keep you warm and dry. As a bonus feature, the Extremus New Comfort Camp Cot includes a full-length side pocket organizer to keep your valuables close at hand and organized while you're camping. Built to last, this cot has a frame made of solid steel that supports up to 300 pounds. It folds easily and sets up or takes down in just a few seconds. When it's time to pack up, the Extremus Camp Cot fits easily in the included storage bag, made of durable polyester with a shoulder strap and carrying handle for easy transportation. Quench your thirst safely and sustainably with the ultimate outdoor water purification solution from the Lifestraw Peak series. The Lifestraw Peak series compact gravity water-filled system is the ultimate hydration companion for camping and outdoor adventures. It protects against a wide range of contaminants, including bacteria, parasites, microplastics, silt, sand, and cloudiness. With its enhanced microfilter performance, the Lifestraw Peak series delivers great water flow even in challenging conditions. It's also durable and leak-proof, making it ideal for rugged use. And the best part, your purchase helps make a difference. With every Lifestraw purchase, you're providing one child with 1 year of safe water. The CT Capertronix rechargeable LED camping lantern is the ultimate outdoor companion, providing soft, anti-glare light with 3 brightness levels, flashing and SOS modes, and a power bank function. With a frosted PC shell and 360 degrees of illumination, 2 lanterns deliver up to 800 lumens, lighting up your entire tent or room. Rechargeable in 2 hours with a USB cable, 1 lantern lasts 3 to 10 hours. Plus, its built-in 1800 mAh battery can charge your phone in emergencies. Compact and lightweight with hooks for hanging, these IPX4 water-resistant lanterns are perfect for indoor and outdoor use, from camping and hiking to hurricanes and home power failures. And that's it for our video on the most legit car camping gear that you will actually use. We hope you enjoyed it and found some new, exciting gadgets to add to your camping setup. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome car camping content. And don't forget to let us know what you think of these products in the comments. The links to all the products featured in this video are in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure. Stay ready, get set, and let's camp.